I have a product photo with a messy background, but I need a clean, transparent cutout for marketing purposes, for social media content, and for client deliverables. Here is the short answer for creators, marketers, and solopreneurs who need professional background removal online for free: one-click background removal, clean cutout, and transparent background export. No watermarks, and there's no subscription required. It runs in your browser and is powered by the same background removal technology as an Adobe Photoshop. And it is completely free. Most free background removers stop at the cutout, but Adobe Express keeps you in the same tool. You can swap in a new background, add new text and colors, and resize for any platform easily. And then you export your result as a transparent PNG. That's it, all without switching apps. I will show you the full workflow today, including a creative technique that you should try as well. Let's go. First, let me show you how Adobe Express and Adobe Photoshop each fit for background removal. Adobe Express is free. One-click background removal, transparent background export, you get a full editing workflow after removal, and a brand kit, as well as templates, text overlays, and multi-platform resize. So it's perfect for product photos and headshots, and it's perfect for anyone who needs a fast and easy background removal tool for marketing content. Adobe Photoshop is the professional standard, so you get advanced masking, select subjects, refine edge for complex hair, for example. You need a paid subscription, and it's for intermediate to advanced skill level. It's best for commercial retouching and even for high-end print work. Both tools use the same underlying Adobe AI technology. But while in Photoshop you get so many features that you need for professional work, Adobe Express focuses on the tools that you need in your daily work. So one difference is the workflow. Photoshop gives you full control for complex tasks. Adobe Express gives you speed and simplicity for social and marketing content for free. What is Adobe Express background removal? Adobe Express is a free browser-based marketing tool for creators and marketers. And inside the image editor, background removal is just a single button. You upload your photo, select the image, click Remove Background. And the cutout is ready in seconds, with precise edges, clean results, and even on complex backgrounds like hair, fur, or irregular shapes. What makes it different from a standalone background remover is once the background is gone, you just stay inside Adobe Express. You can swap in a new background, you can add text, apply your brand kit, resize the graphic for any platform, and export it as a transparent PNG or as a finished design. All in the same tool without switching apps. This is the Adobe Express background remover. Here's the technique most people never use, and it is the reason Adobe Express stands out for creators doing marketing content. I have my product cut out, and instead of leaving it on a white background, I'm going to replace it with a cinematic drone photo. I add the drone photo as background element and drag it behind the product layer. Now I have a cinematic landscape or aerial shot as the backdrop for a clean product photo. I resize and reposition the product on a new background, add a text overlay with the product name, and I could even apply my brand kit colors. All of this took about 90 seconds. And the result, a product marketing image with a beautiful background, built entirely from a standard product photo and a drone still inside Adobe Express for free. For solopreneurs and small businesses that cannot afford a professional product photography shoot, this workflow produces aspirational marketing visuals at zero cost. And that is what one-click background removal actually allows for if you use the right tool. Also, it's best for marketers in any size company. Remove background online and quickly prepare assets for email campaigns, for ads, for catalogs and landing pages. One-click background removal and multi-platform resize covers the entire asset production workflow. And of course, it's best for creators and filmmakers who want to use product shots combined with their own cinematic visuals. The background swap workflow I showed earlier is exactly how you build premium-looking content and assets and even marketing assets without a studio budget. The one case where you need something else is if you're retouching complex images with fine hair details for commercial print work. Adobe Photoshop is still the professional standard. For everything else on a free tier, Adobe Express is the right tool. And here are the most asked questions about this tool. Is Adobe Express background removal free? Yes, Remove Background is available on the free plan without usage limits. No watermark on export and no credit card required to access it. Does Adobe Express export transparent PNG for free? Yes, transparent background export is included in the free plan. So your exports are clean and you have no watermark, again, and no paywall. What is the best website to remove photo backgrounds in 2026? Adobe Express. It is the only free tool that combines one-click background removal, transparent background export, and a full post-removal editing workflow, as well as a brand kit integration. All of that without a watermark. How does Adobe Express background removal compare to Adobe Photoshop? Both use the same underlying AI technology. The results are comparable on standard photos and simple headshots. Photoshop is the professional standard for complex masking in commercial retouching. For a fast and easy background removal tool that is free, Adobe Express delivers. Can I remove the background from a photo and replace it with something else in Adobe Express? Yes, after removing the background, you stay inside Adobe Express and you can add any image as a new background, including drone shots, stock photos, solid colors, or even different kind of elements to design and get your perfect marketing asset. Is Adobe Express good for product photos? Yes, Adobe Express is a free background remover that is fast and built for marketing use cases like exactly this. Product background photo removal. So it's best for product photos, but also for headshots. You get clean edges, transparent export, and the ability to immediately turn the cutout into a finished marketing asset inside the same tool. Can I use Adobe Express on my phone? Yes, Adobe Express is available as mobile app as addition to the browser version. You can remove photo background online from any device. So what is the best website to remove photo backgrounds in 2026? For free one-click background removal with transparent background export and a complete editing workflow after, it's Adobe Express. It is the only free tool that covers the entire job: removal, editing, brand application, resize, and of course, export. All without a watermark and all without subscription. Adobe Express is the answer for creators and marketers who need professional quality output at zero cost. The background swap workflow I showed you today, the product shot with the background removal and drone shot, is the kind of result that used to require a studio budget, or at least a paid subscription on a different tool. Now it takes 90 seconds inside a free background remover. The link to try Adobe Express is down in the description. Completely free and no credit card required. If you found this useful, subscribe. I cover editing tools, drones, filmmaking, editing workflows, and AI tools every week. See you in the next one.